my name is Advay Agarwal and I just thought that I will make a marble one out of Lego. But I wasn't nearly any close to have the decent amount of bricks. There were so many bricks because the videos that I watched to make Lego marble ones, the people had many, about millions of Lego pieces. Here, I may only have 100 or 400 of these pieces. So, first I had to try the slopes for the track of marbles. So, I tried out with different of these, but the best one that I could imagine was the red dot. They were so smooth, it was easy to get the ball through. This was my first try. According to the video, this was it. But it's not moving so, and as I did this, moved, but because this, see, the red ones are more. So I tried with these as well, the purple, these. See, a decent amount of bricks, and I collected the slopes here. So now I had made the slopes. So these red slopes were the best. So I had to attach them like this. See? Now see. See? It was going so easily. So I decided to use this one only. Okay, this is the end of today's video. Before ending, I wanted to say that these was the Lego sets that I had broken out, but I have not broken too much of them, so I have not collected all of these. So this was just the first part. There are many other parts that we need to do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on that red button with a subscribe word written on it. Until our next video, bye!